Porsche Macan on the lift, we did custom cap back. Not just any custom cap back, a G exhaust bolt-on cap back for the Porsche Macan. It's a 2022, does have the 4-banger in there. Customer did not want drone, just had a baby. So we did him a G exhaust cap back. You guys can see right here, G exhaust, Porsche Macan, #1. This is our first Macan valve cap back. Fits like an absolute love, looks awesome. We gave him the Porsche factory style tips, which look phenomenal. Black, chrome with a G exhaust logo on that thing. Got the sand blasted, hydro coated titanium finish on the stainless steel mufflers and piping. Does have a bolt-on section here, bolt-on section here, and the 3-inch midsection to connect to his stock downpipe. This is a full bolt-on, no cutting required. Customer requested that we do not cut his exhaust, so we got him a solid cap back, and not just a solid cap back, a G exhaust cap back, which, in my opinion, for the money, for the quality, for the sound, is the best option when it comes down to exhaust systems. So if you got a Porsche Macan, you got a 911, you got a fucking Taycan, we got exhaust for that. So essentially, this is the stock exhaust systems on pretty much all the Cayennes, on all the Macans, relatively the same between both trucks. Does have a valve on the side, 2 stock mufflers in the back with these bullshit oval tips. I don't know what the hell Porsche was thinking. Does have a dual outlet cap right there. If you got quads, it would come out right through there. They use the same muffler, just make a little cut, add another tip, call it a Porsche Sport exhaust. What are y'all doing, Porsche? Bullshit. Nah, bro. Chop all that shit out, get rid of everything from front to back, upsize the pipe a little bit, give you a valve control cap back exhaust by G exhaust. So it sounds like a fucking dream now, man. I'm gonna crank it. Let me know what you guys think. Start it up real quick. Valves closed. Open up the valves. Valves open. Huge difference in sound. You want it back to factory quiet? Boom. Silent. Open them up. Huge difference in sound. Now, if you want to wake this thing up, that's the way to do it. Cap back exhaust. Pretty simple upgrade. You guys hear the difference. Stock factory quiet when the valves are closed. And then when this thing's open, it gets real aggressive. Sounds like a badass Porsche. Now, give me a little revs. Sick. Burbles out the ass. Sounds badass. I'm fucking actually really impressed with the way this thing sounds. For a 4-cylinder, there's not one 4-cylinder on the market that sounds like that. So, you know, shout out to all the Velosters and the fucking Hondas and the fucking, you know, Mercedes with the 4-cylinders, bro. Shit ain't shit. Porsche is where it's at with the 4-bangers. So, open up the valves. Give me some revs real quick. G exhaust cap back installed. I'm gonna drop it, bring it around, make sure everything's a hundo for the custo, and deliver this thing. Make sure he's happy. So, G exhaust, baby. We're in the 2022 Porsche Macan, and we just did a G exhaust cap back. Sounds fucking phenomenal, man. I'm actually really impressed with the way this thing came out. Sounds like a fucking bat out of hell when the valves are open and back to factory setting. No drone inside the cab, which is awesome. Sounds like a factory car. Badass. And you want to open this thing up. Purrs, baby. Give y'all some revs real quick. Put this thing in sport. Super clean. Got them burbles, bro. Burbles with no tune. Only at G exhaust, you know what I'm saying? It sounds great. Just let me pull up to the customer, see what he says, see what he thinks. Damn, backfires on the burbles. So we got the garage door opener set up for the fucking valves on the exhaust, which is pretty dope. So no more remote needed. We just pop this button right here, opens up the valves, pop this button on, closes the valves. Pretty sick. Open, closed. Quiet, open. Put that thing in sport mode for burbles activation. Badass. That's a G exhaust cat back. That's what a Porsche Macan's supposed to sound like. Come to G exhaust, get yourself a cat back. And if you got a 911, we also do those. I don't know if you've been seeing them all over Instagram, all over YouTube. You know, we've been coming at Porsche Kings of South Florida. So if you got a Porsche, you got a Macan, a 911, 718, GT3 RS, you name it, just call G.